Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So it's September 28th and I'm here with Belle!
Hi!
So siya po ang dahilan ba't ako nagva-vlog. Say hi.
Hi!
Why do you want me to vlog?
Because you vlog when you go to first time at Dubai.
And then?
But
it's my third time now.
What do you mean?
It's my third time going to Dubai.
I didn't know.
Oh, roam in the jungle, see?
So this is Boy Boy. And this is Anaya. Anaya! Anaya! Hi! So as I was saying, nakaslow mo pala yung video namin kanina. Ito na si Anaya. Nung video ko last year, second time ko dito, newborn pa siya. And ngayon, ayun na ingay. Magwa 1 year na siya ngayon. Hi guys! So kakadating lang namin dito sa Rove. And currently nag-check-in lang sila. And here's Ate Bella. Hi!
Hi!
Yeah. Ate yun.
Oh, Anaya, sir. Anaya, ate.
Anaya, sir.
Patayin mo.
Eat.
Ba't ang baba?
So, meron pala tayong mic. Binigay ni na Ate Angge sa akin ni na Toy. This is from Temu. So, hopefully, naririnig niyo ako ng loud and clear. Ha! Loud and clear. So, ayun. Nag-check-in lang kami. Update ko kayo mamaya pag asa room na kami. Bye! So, that's our room. And magsasettle lang kami tapos mag-ayos na rin kasi nga birthday celebration ni Ate Kasen. So, ayusin na namin yung handa niya. And dito daw maghahanda sa room namin. Hi! Wala lang.
May pag-perfect ka pa.
Ada! Yeah. Ito yung isang room. So, invade naman natin ang room nila Anaya. Hi! Go inside!
Walang tinapay ano?
Sige lang. Naya! Hi! Naya! Naya, wear shoes. Don't gapang, Naya. Sabi ni Budi. Shoes! Give other one. Naya. Kiss, Naya. Thank you! Guys, first time natin makita si Prima sa vlog. Prima! Hi!
Wala siyang
into the place, a spot you from erase my heart, it started racing. The crowd across the way, flowers on your face, and then I'm from the 80s. Someone keeps blocking my way, I can't feel farther away.
Team 1 muna, sina Gigi. Si Gigi magpapahula. English! One word! One word? Angel! Angel, God! Hello, God! Nico X, Heaven! Two words. English. Second word. Gun.
Gun.
Bang bang?
First word.
Ah,
Top Gun.
Top gun.
Nang di galingan mo ang bunot. English. 5 words. Fifth word. First. One. Second word. Silent. A quiet place, day one.
3 words. First word.
Ano ba?
English. I think. Love. Third word. Love and money. Love
versus money.
sounds like four. Love or money. Love or money.
Oh, start mo na again. Start mo na again.
English. One word. English. 2 words. First word.
Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum.
First word.
Going to be? Yeah.
Second word.
Manokot. Makate.
Itchy.
Itchy.
Hindi
English, 2 words. Itchy.
Okay. 2 words. What?
Ay, ikaw na ito. Pahula pa ba?
Hindi niya kasi alam kung paano kang hulaan. Hula ka lang. Mali! Mali ka! Wala!
One word. English. Circle. Go.
Day after tomorrow.
What?
Ay, 1 word. Tomorrow.
Return? Before?
Tago niya, ma'am, kasi nga kinukuha ni...
Ano yan?
Throwback. Rollback.
Anong kategory? Drama?
Ano yan?
Payback.
Drama yan?
Back roll.
Backroll. All. Rewind.
Yun!
Ah,
Ay!
Ano yung score? 2-2?
3-3 ata.
Patingin mo, patingin mo.
No! Wala na, na-under na.
3-3 oh. 3-3 ha?
Patingin, patingin.
Yeah!
English.
Alam mo ka din, umihila.
1 word. Pray. Heaven. Angel. God.
Crazy?
Action!
Kenday.
English.
Ano yun?
Wish.
Oh, Tagalog. 2 words. Tingnan nyo, alam ko, ganda na tayo.
Conversion na lang. Movie kayo,
Tagalog. 3 words.
6 unit.
Hi.
Third word.
Kasi hindi na to.
Baril. Bala. First word.
Ano, wala.
Kami. Kayo. We. Auntie. Partner. Sabihin ko nga partner.
3 words. English. Third word.
Page.
Book. Second word. The Jungle Book.
5 words. English. Fifth word.
Fifth word. Drunk. Drink.
Shot take. Third word. Way.
Way.
Fifth word.
Water.
Bottle. Drink. Water. Water, sinabi ko na kanina. Oh. Avatar, way of the water. Ako na una. Sabay ulit. Go. Pepe.
Pepe, salangga.
Anong Pepe? First word?
Second word yan. Second word.
Pepe. Pepe Corriente? Siomay. Suman.
Siopaw.
Siomay.
Suman.
Siopaw.
Siomay. Suman.
Sopaw.
Wala naman sopaw. Wala naman sopaw.
Okay. Bigyan natin ng chance. 1, 2, 3, go!
Siopaw. Siomay. Suman. Siopaw. Siomay. Suman.
Siopaw.
Siomay.
Suman.
Siopaw. Siomay.
Suman.
Siopaw.
Siomay.
Suman. Siopay.
Siopay.
Siopaw. Siomay.
Suman.
Siopaw.
Siomay.
Suman. Siopaw.
Suman. Siopaw. Siomay.
Suman. Siopaw.
Siomay.
Suman.
Siopaw.
Siomay. Go!
Siopaw.
Ano bang break out?
Tawa.
Dali! 1, 2, 3, go!
Siopaw.
Siomay.
Suman. Siopaw. Siomay.
Suman.
Siopaw.
Siomay.
Suman.
Siopaw.
Siomay. Suman. Siopaw. Siomay.
Suman.
Siopaw.
Siomay.
Suman. Siopaw.
Hindi nga ganito, gano'n. Pang siopaw.
1, 2, 3, go! Siopaw.
Siomay.
Oh!
Bakit pinag-iwalay mo siya? Siopaw mo. Dito rin.
Wala na! Oh, siomay! Siomay! Eh, sabi mo!
Pinag-iwalay mo pa. Mali na ka, pinag-iwalay mo pa.
Wala ka na!
Hindi mo pa din. Pinag-cross mo pa.
Bakit na makopo? Bakit? Okay!
Dalat na.
Ano? Tama naman yung
Uy, ganda.
Game.
Siopaw.
Mali pa.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go! Siopaw.
Siomay.
Suman.
Siopaw.
Siomay.
Suman.
Siopaw. Sumay.
Ano daw? Sumay!
Sumay.
Sumay!
Oh, dali.
Sumay! Hindi ko narinig. Sumay! Good morning, guys. Kakagising lang namin and we're on the way sa breakfast buffet. Ano pa sa'yo? Hi, buddy! Hi! Wee!
Ulit.
Ay, si Anaya. Ay, lamig. Did you enjoy, ate?
Yeah.
Jenga. Not yet last one, ate. More, go. Okay, you first. Your turn. La. No rules, guys. Yan. Birthday kay Chili.
Happy birthday kay Sili.
Kay Happy birthday kay
Wait, natatawa na ako agad. Happy birthday kay Silly. Ulit. Ulit ko.
Happy birthday kay Ano ba yun? Ano ba yun? Ulit!
Wag. Matigas naman yan, Budin. Thank you.
Hi guys! So ayun, 4:38 na and kaka-check out lang namin. And after check out, nagpunta kami dito sa Riverland, which is dito siya sa Dubai Parks. And ayun, bumibili lang sila ng ticket. So yung ticket dito is 15 dirhams, pero magagastos or magagamit mo naman daw siya if kakain kayo sa loob. So ayun.